Well, the weather is starting to warm up and it's time for those spring picnics to start happening. And I want to try something new. I heard about this very exciting potato salad called potato chip potato salad. It contains potato chips, no lie. Let's make it now. Let's chop about 2 pounds of potatoes. Let's boil these up. In a bowl, we need a cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of relish, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, some parsley flakes, some black pepper, half a diced red onion, and 2 chopped ribs of celery. Let's mix that all together. Drain the potatoes and then let them marinate in some white vinegar. I'm going to toss the potatoes around in that vinegar first. Directions say that when still warm, add that mayo mix and mix it together. And now comes the fun part. We mix in multiple types of potato chips. Regular, salt and vinegar, cheddar and sour cream, barbecue. Let's try some queso cheese as well. If you want, you could do this all in a baking dish and have different quadrants of different chips. But I like to mix it all together. Then you just serve it right away. Potato chip, potato salad. That's a whole lot of flavor and perfect for a picnic. What would you put in your picnic basket? Well, there are multiple ideas of picnic foods if you check the playlist in my description. This video is part of a collaboration hosted by my pals Molly Purcell and I'm Merely Melissa. Such amazing gals, and we all love picnicking. Yum! How did the potato become an influencer? It's a YouTuber.